There's a place I love so dearly, a place I'd like to be, on the west coast of Ireland, surrounded by the sea, and the mountains and the heather, the river and the stone, a place called Connemara, my own native home. I can see the Arden Islands as I gaze at the sky, the Flucons and the Glowjobs, they gracefully sail by, and to walk along the ocean, to stroll along the shore, to hear our native language, may they speak it evermore. Connemara, Connemara, it's a place I would love to be. Connemara, Connemara, it's a place I would love to be. Oh, Grab a cream and story to the ones left behind. The visions of my childhood are forever in my mind. Oh, the dancing and the music, the shadows by the fire, and the laughter of the children is my heart's desire. Connemara, Connemara, it's a place I would love to be. Connemara, Connemara, it's a place I would love to be. And if ever I return there, keep a spot by the sea, where I can smell the ocean, my loved ones close to me. Place a cross above my resting, for a visit and a prayer. Farewell to Connemara, the place I love so dear. Connemara, Connemara, it's the place I would love to be. Connemara, Connemara, it's the place I would love to be.